and I'm teaching you maths of class 8 NCERT. I'm teaching you exercise 2.2 question number 12. So let's see. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Okay? What is Ravi's present age? Here telling कि अभी से 15 साल बाद रवि की एज 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. अभी प्रेजेंट एज से 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगी उसकी एज. ओके, व्हाट इज हिज प्रेजेंट एज? इसके प्रेजेंट एज क्या है? जस्ट सी हियर. लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ रवि, लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ रवि, एज ऑफ रवि बी एक्स ईयर. हम इसके प्रेजेंट एज को, रवि के प्रेजेंट एज को एक्स ईयर सपोज कर लेते हैं. देन हियर टेलिंग 15 years फ्रॉम नाउ. सो आफ्टर 15 years, अभी से 15 साल बाद, आफ्टर 15 years रवीज एज विल बी, रवि की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? रवीज एज विल बी व्हाट? कितनी होगी? विल बी x प्लस 15, बिकॉज 15 years के बाद कितने होंगे? तो x प्लस 15 विल बी x प्लस 15 year. ओके, will be x plus 15 years. So according to question, therefore according to question, ACQ, what? After 15 years, what will happen? So he will become 4 times, his age will become 4 times his present age. उसकी जो 15 years के बाद उसकी प्रेजेंट एज से इसकी एज 4 टाइम्स ज़्यादा हो जाएंगी. ओके, सो he will become 4 times his present age. So what is his means 15 years age? After 15 years, what will be his age? X plus 15. And after 15 years, what will be his age? Will become 4 times of 4 times his present age. 4 times his present age. 4 times his present age. Present age. Okay. So x plus 50 is 4 terms of his present age. His present age is x. So 4 into x, 4x. Now it will come this side. 4x plus x is equal to here minus 15. It will come to, it will transpose to RHS. So now minus 4x and plus x minus 3x is equal to minus 15. This minus will get crossed. Okay? Are you getting it very clearly? Therefore, or x is equal to 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to 15. We have supposed the present age to be x. Let the present age of Ravi is x. So present age of, therefore present age of Ravi is, age of Ravi is 15 years. Is it clear? Okay. So come to the question number 30. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Here telling कि x कोई रेशनल नंबर है. ओके, जब हम उसे 5 by 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और उसमें 2 by 3 ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर आता है minus 7 by 12. वो नंबर है क्या? What is the number? Okay, so let the number be x. Let the number be x. हम उस नंबर को let the number be x. उस नंबर को हम x सपोज कर लेते हैं. Then here telling since when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3, when you multiply it, जब हम इसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 5 by 2 से, मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3. Okay, so when we multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3, you get minus 10 by 2. Okay, So just look here. Therefore multiply the number by 5 by 2. 5 by 2 से multiply करेंगे and add it by 2 by 3. You will get what? Minus 7 by 12. तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? Minus 7 by 12. Just look here. 5 into x, 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 7 by 12. Now look here. Let variable be here. 5x by 2 को हम इधर minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. Okay. So look here. 5x by 2. Take LCM of 3 and 12. What will be? Obviously 12. 12 1 is 12, 7. 3 4 is 12, 4 4 2 is 8. 5x by 2. If you don't understand, you can take LCM of 12 and 3. Look here. 2 6 is 12. As it is रहने देंगे. Now 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Getting now? So just look here. Since here is minus 7, so put here also minus 7. Okay. So 5x by 2 is equal to minus 7 minus 8 minus 15 by 12. Okay. Now there will be cross multiplication. अब हम cross multiplication करेंगे. 5x into 12. 5x into 12 and minus 15 into 2. 12 5 is 60. 60x. Here 15 to 30 minus 30 और x is equal to minus 30 by 60. 0 0 will go. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Hence the rational number. Hence the rational number is minus 1 by